We said well-being is true luxury. And that is really the soul and core of our product. All of our products have natural frequency technology. That is the soul of our company and the soul of our products. And I hope that our soul goes, merges with your soul so that it will be a beautiful marriage and combination.
Will, now more than ever, we realize the importance of our health. Health, yes, as they say, is the truest wealth. But this is something that you have already been promoting since you co-founded your company, Philip Stein. Mm-hmm. Can you tell us more about that? Why you created it and how it helps the public?
The whole thing started because my wife and I, we tried to lead a very healthy lifestyle. We try to eat healthy, exercise, also have, mindfulness and meditation and all of these kind of things. And when Philip Stein started, all of these things, whether it was, meditation, yoga, all of this really started to sprout out of the ground. And my wife and I, we at that time had a watch company in the promotional watch industry, and we heard about natural frequency technology, and then we looked further into it, and we met people who were into this, and we said, you know what, maybe we can create a team and build a company out of this, because if we can be the first wellness accessory encased in a beautiful watch, maybe that's, a market niche which we can take here. And that's how it all really started.
Your watches are really nicely designed, really speaks of class, but then at the same time, there's health benefits to it.
And that is really the soul and core of our product, that we have a technology which only Philip Stein has. Our earth is frequencies. Everything is frequencies. What we did is we developed a technology where we can capture natural frequencies and we transfer them into a disc, into an informational disc, which is inside our products. Mm-hmm. Okay, inside our watches, inside our wellness bracelets, inside our sleep bracelets. We're frequency beings, so our body sends out signals, frequencies all the time. And this is a passive resonance device, so it resonates just like two tuning forks resonate. It resonates in harmony, and through this, the biomagnetic field that we have with our body now harmonizes. And as a result of that, and we've seen it over and over again, we've seen it for years and years and years, not only through testimonials, but also now through scientific studies, which just got published. We've seen that people were more at ease, more at inner peace. They can cope with stress better when they're wearing the watch.
The folks at Philip Stein say the watch has special powers and actually gives you more energy. Yeah, the first time you feel it already. The first time I wore it, I thought, yeah, I think I do feel a little more energized. Now, the great thing about it is, the reason I wear it all the time is because it comes with changeable bands. They come in 6 different colors.
What intrigues me are the sleep bracelets, because it's specially needed at this time as well.
According to Harvard Medical School, there are really 3 pillars that make up a, overall healthy person. It's nutrition, it's exercise, and it's sleep. So our product helps you in a natural way. It's a natural solution to help you sleep better. I always say that our product really runs in the background, meaning anywhere we're going to go to bed at night. Okay, we put a sleep bracelet on, which is not a big thing, because also the strap of our sleep bracelet is very, very soft. We call it the pajama bracelet. That's why we didn't want it to be, interrupt your sleep at night. And all you do is you put it on before you go to sleep. You don't have to sync it. You don't have to monitor it. You don't have to charge it. Nothing. Not only do we have thousands and thousands of people, giving us testimonials and telling us how much they appreciate the product. We just now got our study published in the International Sleep Science Journal. One of the results was that 86% of the people who wore our sleep bracelet, they said, that they experienced an improved quality of sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And that's really the key word, Jannelle. It's the quality of sleep. It's not only the quantity. You can sleep for 10, 12 hours and still wake up very tired.
And I like that it runs on its own. You don't have to do anything. You just wear it and it's comfortable.
And why don't we need a battery? Because our body is the battery. So our body gives the signal to the sleep bracelet, and now it co-resonates with our biomagnetic field.
But the sleep bracelet is a must if it helps you rest, because I've done a lot of interviews during this time, Will, and they're saying even to fight COVID, you have to have a strong immune system. And you don't get that with just nutrition and exercise. Sleep is very important.
Very important. A good night's sleep strengthens your immune system. You have now the power to fight bacteria. The other thing is, if you have a good night's sleep, you will perform better the next day. And there are many, many other factors. If you sleep well, you have better skin, you eat less. All these aspects of a good night's sleep are so important. I cannot stress how important sleep is.
It's in us. And if we have the bracelet to just enhance the frequencies that our body is already signaling, then that's a win-win. So thank you so much for coming up with this wonderful product and products that help us now, especially when we need it most. Anything else? Anything on the horizon?
So we're going to do a small pre-launch. It's probably going to be at the end of this month, a collection that is more for the millennials or for those who want to stay young.
Right.
You know, it's very contemporary design. It still, of course, has our technology. The straps are made of ocean plastic. So that's one of the things which we're coming up with. But on the other hand also, so we're looking at other delivery systems which we can, where we can maybe reduce the price and then get a much bigger footprint, a much bigger market, because sleep is one of the most important things. And I want really everybody to sleep well. So that's what we're looking at now.
And I like that when a company is formed, not just to make money, but really to make the world a better place. And so kudos to you, Will, to your wife, and to your team that has put all this together. We would like to remind everyone also that are watching us, joining us right now, they have a lot of different styles, the watches and the bracelets, also on their website. And what I like about Philip Stein is they have specifically designed Filipino-themed watches. And I love that. Thank you so much.
I love the Philippines. I love the Filipinos. Thank you so much, Jannelle. Thank you very much. And congratulations on the 3rd anniversary.
Thank you so much.
Okay.